This is Puppets by Arlee. I'm Arlee, and this is Painting a Marionette Head. Now I started with a base coat here of just like some regular brown acrylic paint, and since this is supposed to be a cat, I did some sponge painting of a slightly lighter brown color to make it more fur-like. And now I'm going to do the highlights. So I'm taking that same brown color and mixing in a lot of white. And I suggest watching some YouTube makeup tutorials to find out where on the face needs highlighting. And as you can see here, I'm doing the T-zone. Next, I'm doing the first layer of the eyes. If you're right-handed, I suggest that you start painting the right eye of the puppet. That way your wrist won't smear the other eye. And then I wanted these eyes to be yellow, so I'm doing some yellow on top. And I decided to make the paws a darker pink, so. Now doing the pupils, you want to paint pupils on a puppet a little bit cross-eyed. That will help make the eye focus point straight forward. And I'm using a toothpick there to do the nostrils. Next, I do like eyeliner with a Sharpie marker. Doesn't really show up on this puppet, but that's okay. And these are the farkles. They're a thing from animation, the little highlights. And I'm doing them with a toothpick. And notice the farkles are not a mirror image of each other. They're the same side. They're both towards the right there. Thanks for watching.